Do you feel your family room is missing that wow factor? Maybe it's not cozy enough, or it lacks personality and flow for game nights, movie marathons, or just relaxing together? Imagine a space designed to balance comfort, function, and style. Plush seating, purposeful zones, accent lighting, and curated decor that makes every stay meaningful. Today, we're exploring 10 family room decor ideas. From layering rugs and mixing textures to gallery walls, multifunctional furniture, and mood lighting that will help your space feel warm, connected, and stylish. Whether you're starting fresh or refreshing what you've got, these tips will transform your room into the heart of the home. Ready to make your family room the place everyone loves to gather?
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How can layered rugs add comfort and define areas? Layered rugs offer both aesthetic depth and functional zoning in your family space. Start by selecting a large base rug that fits under the entire seating arrangement. This anchors the room and ensures cohesion. Choose natural materials like jute or wool for texture and durability. Next, layer a softer patterned rug on top to add visual interest and a cozy feel underfoot. Coordinate the second rug's colors with furniture accents to tie the palette together. Position the layered rugs to coincide with seating zones or reading corners. This layering method adds warmth and comfort, muffles footsteps, creates defined zones for conversation and play, and visually balances a room without permanent fixtures. Share if you're ready to layer up your comfort. Why is mixing textures essential in a family room? Texture mixing creates a tactile, inviting environment, critical for family living spaces. Pair a smooth leather sofa with boucle throw pillows and a chunky knit blanket draped over an armrest. Introduce a velvet ottoman for softness and a metal or glass side table for contrast. Include natural wood elements like a reclaimed coffee table or basket weave storage for warmth and organic texture. Layer in a wool rug to unite these diverse materials. The combination of cool, hard surfaces with soft plush ones makes the room feel balanced and purposeful. It also benefits functionality by giving people different tactile experiences and surfaces suited for lounging, dining, or organizing toys, all within one visually neutral, stylish space. How does intentional lighting enhance family time? Good lighting transforms ambiance and function in a family room. Start with layered illumination, recessed or multi-arm pendant for overhead light, complemented by floor lamps beside conversation zones and table lamps for bedside reading or crafting. Choose bulbs with adjustable warmth or dimmer switches, 2700K for evening moods, cooler for active family time. Accent LED strips beneath shelves or behind the TV create cozy accents without glare. Use smart bulbs for timed lighting that dims for movies or brightens for cleanup. Incorporate a statement fixture to act as a decor centerpiece. Thoughtful lighting creates dynamic zones, bright for crafting or reading, soft for movie nights, and playful color tone options for game mood setting. Leave a heart emoji if lighting transforms your space. How can a gallery wall add personality and connection? Family walls filled with photos, kids' artwork, and meaningful keepsakes create warmth and visual connection. Start with a central driving piece, a large family portrait or canvas. Add a mix of framed photographs, small mirrors, and shelves holding trinkets. Arrange pieces organically, leaving enough white space to avoid clutter. Include 3D items like woven baskets and child-created art to add depth. Frame in neutral tones to unify diverse content. This gallery becomes a conversation starter and a celebration of shared memories. Lighting the top with a picture light softens and draws attention. The result is a living wall that grows with your family, adding both style and emotional resonance. What role do multifunctional furniture pieces play? Family rooms thrive on furniture that works hard and plays well. A storage ottoman can double as seating, coffee table, and toy box. Choose upholstered designs that match your decor. Consider a sleeper sofa for guests or movie nights. Nesting side tables allow flexible surface placement and compact storage. Furniture with hidden compartments keeps blankets, remotes, and games out of sight but accessible. Modular shelving units can hold baskets for eco-friendly toy organization. An adjustable height console that shifts between workspace and buffet counter offers flexibility for casual meals or crafts. Selecting pieces that serve dual purposes maximizes functionality and helps keep clutter under control. Key for busy family life. Tell me which furniture helps your room multitask best. Why include cozy nooks and reading corners? Cozy corners extend functionality in a family room, offering a retreat for reading, relaxation, or quiet time. It could be a small love seat with a floor lamp and basket of blankets near the window. Add a plush poof and adjustable side table for flexibility. Surround the space with floating shelves of books and family favorites. Incorporate layered lighting with a warm-toned lamp. A soft rug underfoot and textured pillows invite hours of comfortable lounging. For kids, add floor cushions and low shelves to create a whimsical, accessible reading corner. This quiet nook gives every family member their own calm space, while keeping the room feeling inviting and shared. Cozy corners also strengthen your family's connection by encouraging moments of togetherness and introspection. How can greenery and live plants revitalize the space? Plants breathe life into any room. Fiddle-leaf figs, monstera, or snake plants bring height and lushness, while pothos and herbs can grace windowsills. Group plants in decorative pots across consoles and plant stands to create stylistic layers. Hanging planters or macrame holders add vertical texture and interest. Ensure proper lighting and matching plant choices. Choose low-light varieties for darker rooms. A trailing plant over a media shelf softens harsh electronics. Houseplants also purify air and provide a calming presence. Rotate plants occasionally to adjust decor balance and maintain health. The result is refreshed, biophilic design that uplifts mood and connects your space to nature. An instant mood booster for busy homes. By layering rugs, mixing textures, planning lighting thoughtfully, weaving in accent colors, greenery, and sentimental decor, you transform a basic family room into a multi-dimensional space where every moment feels intentional, cozy for evenings, functional for family activity, and beautiful for shared time. Start with one idea, watch how it influences the whole room, and build from there. This is your place of pause, play, and togetherness. Help it reflect your family's rhythm and warmth.